I have here the Olay Regenerist Night Recovery Cream. So first impressions, the jar, sleek and simple. I really like it's fragrance-free. The cream feels soft and smooth. It is not super thick. It is not too runny. And it absorbs really fast, leaving my face nice and moisturized. It is not sticky. It is not shiny. Why the Olay always is a trusted name. It hydrates like a dream. I feel refreshed in the morning. I use it as part of my nighttime routine, and by the morning, I am looking refreshed. It is a gentle formula. It doesn't sting. Even when I exfoliate and then use this, there is no stinging. And what I really like is that it's fragrance-free, which is rare, but I do appreciate it. But this one is a solid, no-fuss night cream that actually does what it promises. We are hydrating. We are smoothing without feeling heavy. A total staple in your beauty routine.